Welcome my friends, it's Moody here. Today's video is the first video in my 5-part series on how to become a successful entrepreneur. Now this is the most important step that you need to take whether you're just starting out or whether you're a seasoned veteran, and that is to clearly define why. By defining why you want to become an entrepreneur, defining why you sell the products or services that you're going to be providing, it sets the foundation for truly inspiring people to believe in you, to believe in your products and your services so that they come back to you time and time again. And if you can clearly define why you do what you do, you're going to be able to build an organization, you're going to be able to build a consumer base of people that know, like, and trust you. And if you can clearly define your why and spread that out in your marketing message with your product and your services, then people are going to truly be inspired by you, because people are going to be able to find the same product or the same service, and it might depend on price or better services, but it's really going to come down to them making a decision on who they trust. And so if you are clearly defining why you do something, you're going to be able to build that trust with people. It's also going to attract the type of people that you want to work with, because if you can clearly define why you do something and you're inspiring people by that why, then they are going to come back to you time and time again because they trust you. And that's the most important thing, no matter what business that you're going into. So at the end of this video, I want you to do something. I want you to get a piece of paper and a pen, and I want you to write out all the reasons why you want to become an entrepreneur. I want you to write out all the reasons why you believe in the product and service that you're going to be providing. And then I want you to make a simple message of why you're doing what you're doing so that you can provide a simple message of that to your consumers. And I want to give you an example of why I became an entrepreneur. You see, I was in an industry that I worked for 29 years, and I constantly saw people just cutting corners and creating a product so that they could sell it at a very low price. And as the person building those products, I felt that I was getting ripped off within those organizations because, one, I truly never understood why they were in business. I truly never understood why they were attracting the customers that they did, just other than trying to get the lowest price product available so that they could just get more consumers. And to me, that was wrong. So I decided that I wanted to start my own business and provide something that was high value and that stood out from the norm, because the reason I got into the industry was I always loved having that product that no one else had. And if someone else did have it, I never saw it. It was something that was limited and was of high quality. And so that's the first reason that I became an entrepreneur. And then I actually started another business because I wanted to inspire people to create businesses around their passions, because everywhere I worked, I was constantly surrounded by people that hated their job, hated what they were doing. They were just there for the paycheck. And so I wanted to do something different. I wanted to be able to provide a product and service so that people could start to live the life that they truly desired. So I hope that tip helps you out. Remember, it's the most important tip that you can do in your business and when you're starting out to become an entrepreneur. So again, take out a piece of paper, write down all the reasons why you want to become an entrepreneur and all the reasons why you're providing the product and services that's going to help you stand out from the crowd. With that, remember to dream, believe, and inspire.